So well, hello guys, I hope you guys are doing fine. So in today's video I'll be showing how to remove vowels from a given string. So basically I'll be taking user input of string and I'll be removing all the vowels from that string. So just in case if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. So let's start the video. So we'll be using Python for coding part. So I hope you have installed Python. So I am using Spider IDE for executing this coding part. Yeah. Let's start the coding part now. So we are taking a variable str and we'll be storing user input of strings. Str input equal to input, enter the string. Yeah. So after that we will be taking a variables called vowels and we'll be storing all the vowels inside this variable vowels. A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. And for the other uppercase also we'll be storing in vowels only. So in uppercase A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. So we have taken another variable vowels and we have stored upper and lower case of vowels inside this variable. After it we'll be using a for loop for I in str. We'll be using if else statement. If I in vowels, then we'll be replacing it with nothing. Str equal to str dot replace I comma space. After that we'll print str. Let's run the code. So here you can see it is asking for enter the string. Let us enter. So here you can see it is getting updated. Yeah, and it has removed all the vowels from the string. So let us do one more thing here. Str equal to str dot lower. So what it will do is, if we are giving any string in uppercase, then it will convert all the string in lowercase and it will remove all the vowels. So let us give one example. So here you can see first one is in uppercase and this one is in lowercase. So what it has done, it has converted all the string into lowercase and then it has removed all the vowels. So first process is using if else statement and the second one is using regular expression. Regular expression one is one line code. So I'll be showing you str text equal to re dot substitute re dot sub comma A-E-I-O-U A-E-I-O-U comma replace it with nothing comma str. So in order to run regular expression we need to import regular expression first. So import re. So in order to run regular expression we need to import it first. Let's run the code and check whether it is running or not. So here you can see it is running perfectly. So it has removed all the vowels. So this was the video showing how to remove vowels from a given string. So there were two steps. first one was using for loop, if else statement, and then we were replacing all the vowels with nothing. And the second one was using regular expression, so we have used regular expression of substitute, and we have substituted a, e, I, o, u or else the vowels with nothing. So I hope you like the video.